Production function is that part of the organization which is concerned with the transformation of a range of inputs into the required outputs that we call products, and which have a requisite quality level as required from the customer's end. Production may be understood as the step-by-step conversion of one form of material into another form through chemical or mechanical process to create or enhance the utility of the product to the user. Hence, we can term production as a value addition process. In any manufacturing enterprise, the main objective of production department is to produce the things in desired quantities and at desired time so that they may be made available to the end users when they demand it. Production is a very complex process. It is a very difficult to manage by the people. It includes a large number of activities and operations which needs to be planned appropriately and in turn controlled for the effective production of the output. The main purpose of production planning and control (PPC) is to establish routes and schedules for the work that will ensure the optimum utilization of material, workers and machines, and to provide the means for ensuring the operation of the plant in accordance with the plans. There are different types of production systems. The choice of production system depends upon the nature of product, variety of products and the volume of products. The production is the transformation of inputs into finished goods or creation of service in order to satisfy the customer needs. And this requires mainly 6 M's, that is man, material, machine, money, method and management. When I was enrolled as a graduate engineer trainee in an integrated steel plant, initially I used to think only 3 M's are required: man, material and machine, and that's sufficient for any manufacturing process. That was my mindset 7 to 8 years ago. But after 1 year, I came to understand money is also very much required. Who is paying my salary? That's why money, man, material, machine, 4 M's I came to understand. But gradually, when I propagated up in the hierarchy, I understood method is very much important for any product. There is a competition in the market. If you are having a method that gives the desired result in a desired time, then only you can survive in the market. And ultimately, after 4 to 5 years working in the integrated steel plant, I came to understand that all the 5 M's, this man, material, machine, money and method, are disregarded, are discounted if there is not a good management. When I came into management, I came to understand this is the most vital part for any production process, for any industry. You have to manage people, you have to manage their salary, you have to manage the method, you have to manage the inventory. People think that sitting in an office and giving orders is what management do, but it is not. Most of the pressure is up to management itself. The marketing portion, the logistics, the inventory control, everything. So in my opinion, out of these 6 M's of any manufacturing process for any industry, management has to be the vital one.